Yesterday we had done 2 of the passages and I told you to do the 3rd and the 4th one on your own. Okay? Didn't I? I told you to do the 3rd and the 4th on your own. Just take out the editing. Hurry up. Take out the editing. Everybody fast. Taken out. Should we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the 3rd one, right? 1st and 2nd was done. Who will do the 3rd one? Who will begin with the 3rd one? Yes, beta, who will begin with the 3rd one? Any of you can try it? Anybody? Yes, hurry up. Nobody is ready to come out. क्या हुआ? सारे बिल्कुल ही लेजी, वीक, लेथर्जिक सब. बोलो बच्चों. क्लास एंड कर दूं? Should I end up the class? Then
No,
only
ma'am.
Nakul is there.
No,
What
ma'am.
about others? Then come out with the answers and the sentences. Don't be so dumb. Come on, begin. Who will begin? Rakshit Jain,
Ma'am, in the
begin.
first line.
1 minute. Rakshit Jain, you know he never speaks. Though he is very talkative, but right now he remains very quiet in the class. Rakshit Jain,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, come out with the answers. The 3rd passage, start reading the 3rd passage. Hurry up, Rakshit. Actually, you are not having the passages. Are you having?
No, ma'am.
Why not? Why not, Rakshit? Reasons?
हम अटेंड नहीं थे
क्या नहीं थे?
अटेंड नहीं थे कल वाली क्लास में.
नहीं तो आप तो वैसे ही रेगुलर नहीं रहते हो, अटेंड नहीं करते हो, तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है हमें स्कूल ऐप देखने की, कोई जरूरत नहीं है हमें ग्रुप पर मैम ने भेजे हैं एक्सरसाइजेस वो देखने की, है ना? जरूरत ही नहीं है.
हम है.
नहीं है जरूरत. Every time you people give me this stupid excuse ki ma'am yesterday I did not attend the class. If you did not attend the class, you should have gone to the school app and all the videos are uploaded there. Yesterday only I had sent all the exercises on the WhatsApp group.
सॉरी मैम.
Who else? Yash Pratap? Yes, Yash Pratap Singh. Hurry up. Yash Pratap. Take rest then. Sayukta. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sayukta. The exercises. Divyansh, please wait. Yes, Sayukta, you were there. Hurry up. संयुक्ता शर्मा.
मैम वो जो आपने अभी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो पिक भेजी वो वाली.
Yesterday we were doing the exercises.
मैम होमवर्क.
I told you to do third and the fourth as a homework.
यस मैम.
So,
मैम विच पैरा.
which para you are asking me? You are asking me, you don't remember what homework was given to you by ma'am?
मैम हम ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं. मैम आप कौन से पैसेज का आंसर पूछ रहे हो. हम लेट हो गए थे थोड़े.
तो लेट हो गए थे तो आप लास्ट में थे. जब भी मैंने कहा था ना कि बाकी के 2 तो हमने करे थे तो बचे हुए आप करोगे.
यस मैम.
तो
करे
फिर
मैम.
हाँ तो बताइए ना उसके आंसर्स बताइए फटाफट.
ओके मैम.
क्या है बिगिन संयुक्ता.
मैम बता रहे हो.
हरी आप. Now she is going to look, she is going to search for it. Have you done it in the register?
मैम इन थर्ड पैसेज on the place of at there will be in.
Read out the very first line. Read out the first line. Read out the first line.
At a certain village in the province of Ale.
Okay. So what is the error?
Ma'am, at the place of in there will at the place of it there will be in.
At the place of in.
No, ma'am. On the place of it there will be in.
On the place of it. It तो है ही नहीं इसमें.
88.
At बोलो ना. 8 क्या होता है? Instead of at there will be
In.
in. Okay. So the sentence will be in a certain village in the province of La Mancha at Spain they live. So what will be the second error? The second error. Chirag.
Ma'am, in the at the place of live they lived.
Instead of live, the answer, the correct word would be lived. Why?
Is
Why
lived.
lived? Because this passage is about the past tense. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, in this it has been talked about the past. Okay. So in a certain village in the province of La Mancha, Spain, they lived. Right. Next one, Divyansh. Third one.
Ma'am, at the place of the, there will be a.
Where?
Ma'am, first word.
Okay, the third one. Instead of the, there will
There will
be
be
a
a.
gentleman. Right. So there lived a gentleman of about 50 years of age. So the sentence will be like, in a certain village in the province of La Mancha at Spain, there lived, okay, a gentleman of about 50 years of age. The next one, Nakul.
Ma'am, instead of the has, had will come.
Okay, he was tall and thin and had, instead of has, had will be used. Had giant features. At one time he is rich. Mahima.
In the place of is was come because it is past tense.
Okay, was come nahi, was will come. So at one time he was rich. Okay, instead of is, we have to use was. Why? Because it is about the past. So at one time he was rich, but now he was poor. Why? He had sold all his lands. Akhilesh? Akhilesh Jain?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, beta.
Ma'am, in the place of when, as
As. When is not there. Where is when? Why he had sold all his lands?
in the place of why, when will come.
When? No, no, no. You tried, that is very good, but think of some other option, some other answer. See, the reason has been given, na? Reason. तो क्या होगा वो रीजन के लिए हमें कौन सा कंजंक्शन यूज करना है? Sonali?
Because
Yes, Nakul is answering. Yes, Nakul.
yes, ma'am. Instead of why, ma'am, because will come.
हाँ बेटा, because आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So at one time he was rich, but now he was poor because he had sold all his lands. Got it, Akhilesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because he had sold all his lands. Monica?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, आंसर बोलो ना.
Ma'am, at in the place of at and will come.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
And by
Okay. तो ये मीनिंग नहीं दे रहा ना, because he had sold all his lands and buy books. You tried, this is very good. But he sold his land, all his lands he sold.
For
What to do?
Ma'am, in the
For.
place of at, to is come. To will come.
Yes, it should be
Ma'am,
Monica
for.
too, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because he had sold all his lands to buy books.
To buy the books. Yes,
He
ma'am.
loved reading and spending all his time between his beloved books. Jayanti, the last one. Yes, Jayanti. No, Divyansh. Yes, Jayanti. Can you try the last one? Hurry up, beta. Don't take such a long time to answer. Better copy down all the exercises in the fair registers. Okay, Jayanti, she has sent the message. Maybe she might be having some audio problem. Okay. It is among. And where among will be put? Where we are going to use among, beta?
More
Arpita?
than
Yes, Sonali, you answer.
मैम दो से ज्यादा जब
हाँ, in the place of between हम क्या बोलेंगे? Among लिखेंगे. Why? Because among is used for what? More than two. Okay, and between is used for two things. Okay, so I'll just repeat the answers. First one is in, second one is lived, third one is the ki jagah a will be there, and has in place of has, had will be there, was will be there in place of is, and instead of why we are going to use because, instead of at we will be using to, and the last one between is wrong and among will be there. Okay, now who will do the last one? The last. Hurry up. Who
Ma'am,
can
in the
do it?
place of A, the will come.
In the place of
A.
A, what will be there?
The.
Okay, we are not talking about something that is indefinite. We are talking about a definite place. Okay, तो definite place के लिए हमें कौन सा article use करना है? The. So
Ma'am?
the first one is a city nahi hoga. This will be the city of
The
Venice.
city.
We are talking particularly about the city of Venice. So we cannot say a. Okay. So the city of Venice attracts many a traveler as it lies sparkling in the sunshine. Next one.
Ma'am, in the place of lies will come.
Yes, lies will come. Why? Because it is third person singular, and with third person singular, we always use S or ES with verb 1 when we talk about the simple present tense. So it will be as it lies sparkling in the sunshine. Very good. Next one. It's building reflecting in the waters of the canals. And Vastav mein, the
Ma'am,
city of Venice is
Ma'am, on
very
the
beautiful. Yes.
ma'am, on the place of reflected.
It's building.
I mean, in
Yes,
the
yes.
place of reflecting, only reflect come.
Only reflect come.
Reflected.
Ma'am, reflected.
They will be reflected.
Reflected, right. It will be reflected, okay. It's building reflected in the waters of the canals. और वास्तव में मैंने कहा ना, city of Venice is really very beautiful बेटा. ऐसे नहीं देखो तो YouTube पे जाकर ही देख लेना. Really very beautiful, the city of Venice. Okay, it's building reflected in the waters of the canals. There are much beautiful churches.
Ma'am, many
On the
beautiful.
ma'am, on the many.
Much is, yes, much is always used for the quantity, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
many
Yes, ma'am.
for the countable, okay? That can be counted, we use many for it. So there are many beautiful churches, places and museums. In fact, most of their buildings.
Ma'am, in the place of there will be the.
In place of
Most of its
Ma'am,
buildings.
its side, its side.
yes, ma'am.
Its की बात हो रही है ना, है ना, वेनिस की बात हो रही है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So in fact, most of its building are palaces long ago. Now long ago is past tense.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Looked. Ma'am, in the place of look, you will use looked.
अरे looked कहाँ गया इसमें बेटा?
Ma'am, last
Ma'am,
line.
word.
Last word.
Ma'am, on the place of our word will come.
हाँ बेटा, what I said चिराग, long ago means past tense. ठीक है? तो buildings
Yes,
are
ma'am.
कहाँ से आ जाएगा? Buildings थी बेटा, तो it will be what?
मैम
Buildings
मैम
were.
मैंने नहीं बोला था, दिव्यांश ने कहा था.
अच्छा, दिव्यांश ने कहा था. आई एम सॉरी, मुझे लगा तुमने बोला. चल, दिव्यांश आया समझ में? Okay, buildings
Yes, ma'am.
are places नहीं, were places long ago. So they look grand and state.
Ma'am, in the place of stately
Stately.
will come.
Okay, okay. Some of them have been converted into museums, but libraries.
Ma'am,
Or
or
library.
so but
Or libraries.
What will be the answer?
मैम बट की
और-
जगह और.
बट की जगह और लाइब्रेरीज. सही है, बिल्कुल, है ना. कुछ को म्यूजियम्स बना दिया गया है या फिर लाइब्रेरीज बना दिया गया है. Got it? Now come
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
next one.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट वाला देखो, जल्दी से कर लो फटाफट. It's there on the WhatsApp. Got it? कौन सा है बेटा? Which is the fifth one? It is about the
Ma'am, the Egyptians.
Egyptians. Yes. The Egyptians were the first for make paper. Answer.
वर्ड की जगह.
Ma'am, for in the place of make, we use making.
No,
Ma'am, made.
not made. Make this no.
ma'am, on the place of were are will come.
See, the Egyptians were, they were the first to make
I
paper.
also said
Okay. The Egyptians were the first to make paper. For make थोड़ी ना.
Yes, ma'am.
The Egyptians
Yes,
were the
ma'am.
first to make paper from a plant calling papyrus.
Call.
हाँ बोलो.
Calling
trap.
की जगह
हाँ
मैम calling की जगह call.
from a plant called papyrus. It grew in the delta of River Nile in Africa for the long time. See, I lay stress on those words among which a wrong word is there. So for the long time.
Ma'am, there will be a on the place of the
For a
maybe.
long time. For a long time. Okay, not for the long time. Papyrus continues to be used as writing material. Papyrus continues to be used.
Ma'am, continued.
कंटिन्यू. ओके, जब आप पढ़ोगे तो ही आपको पता पड़ जाएगा कि कौन सा वर्ड गलत है बेटा, एरर क्या है. तो हमेशा फ्लो में पढ़ना चाहिए सेंटेंस को. एट वंस यू विल कम टू नो द एरर. ओके, so the first one, the Egyptians were the first to make paper from a plant called papyrus. It grew in the delta of River Nile in Africa for a long time. Okay, papyrus continued to be used as writing material. Then the Chinese further perfected an art. Actually, an art, you know, it is also there in the fifth one. Then the Chinese further perfected an. N is there in the
Yeah.
fifth sentence. By mistake, it is there in the sixth one.
Ma'am, the
Eh?
art for making paper.
हाँ.
In the
Then the
place of
Chinese
and-
further perfected the art for making
The art.
paper. For making
Of
paper.
making.
Of
Of
making
I'm
paper.
off making paper.
You got it? You cannot have two errors in a
Yes,
single
ma'am.
line. समझ गए? By mistake, it is printed there. Actually, an will come in the above line. Got it? Perfected के बाद n आप add कर लोगे तो वो उस line का error it will be considered. Clear or not, beta?
Yes,
An
ma'am.
art of
Yes.
making paper, the demand for paper increased while the demand for
When.
paper increased while, yes. Mahima
When.
is coming with the answer. Yes, Mahima, 1 minute, Sonali.
While van will come.
In the place of while, when will be used. Okay, the demand for paper increased when books began to be printed.
Ma'am, in the place of began will be there.
Very good, Divyansh. In the place of began will be used. Okay, Arpita has raised her hand, but tomorrow again the remaining one we are going to do, right? How many
Yeah,
remains now? 4.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Do
Four.
them beta.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
tomorrow I want to see you with the registers. All these exercises, they must be copied in the registers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Got it,
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes,
पूरा करेंगे आप
Yes,
register.
sir.